What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. This is another short video because we got another car on its way out. It's sad, but the Plymouth Colt is ready to go. I'm going to take you out there and I'm going to show you right now. Just got it back from the Auto Spa LLC, and as usual, they did a bang up job on her. She looks really good, and I'm really sad to see it go. I really am. But I've already started purchasing new content for the channel. That's how it goes, guys. I know a lot of you would love to see something stick around. Believe me, I would too, but that's just not how it works. Cars have to move out so that I can afford to bring other cars in. You know, my goal with most of these vehicles is, as you guys have seen, not so much like restorations. I just want to bring these cars back from the dead or near dead. I want to put them back on the road. I want to bring them back to life, and I want to see you folks out there being able to enjoy them. Let me tell you something. This one right here, this is a weird one. This is one that gets a lot of looks. I'm not sure if they're all good looks, but it gets a lot of looks. I sat there today looking at a McLaren 720S, and this car was sitting right by it. And I'm telling you, more people glance over to see what in the heck this is versus the McLaren. You'll see more McLarens on the road than you're going to see Plymouth Colts. That's a fact. Brian over at the Auto Spa LLC did a bang-up job on this, guys. He made it look really, really good. So I wanted to give you guys one more once-over so you could see it, because I have had a ton of you interested in buying it, or at least you said you were interested in buying it. It's time to put up or shut up, all right? I'm just kidding. I'm not being rude. I'm just messing with you. But for those of you that were interested in purchasing it, here it is, okay? The interior came out really, really nice. Like, you remember, it was just disgusting. This interior was absolutely disgusting. All of the seats are clean. The carpets are clean. She's ready. She's ready to go. And I think we've put about 500 miles on this car since I purchased it. 500 miles. Look at the door panels. Like, it's so clean. The third row seats, she came out nice. I am going to miss this car. Also going to miss that truck. The transport company was supposed to be here to pick it up today, but they did not show up. The Auto Spa LLC did a bang-up job on that too, but that one's gone. That one's sold. And this one's next. This one is on its way out. Insurance Auto Auction should be coming to pick it up very, very soon. So I'm going to show you guys the mileage one more time. This is the correct miles, 76,008 miles. 76,008 miles. 496 miles is how far we have driven this car since we purchased it. I've got all the books for it somewhere. There's a bunch of registration. There's some paperwork in here for you guys. And I think the books are, maybe the books were down there. Maybe that's where they were. Yeah, there they are. Okay, owner's manuals, registration, all of that good stuff. Let me see if I can find a key. I know the battery seemed like it was starting to get a little weak on us. Turn the key the other direction. There we go. No, battery started it just fine. There we go. There we go. What a great car. Pop the hood. At least I'll make an attempt to pop the hood anyway. It's not the easiest hood to pop. You got to kind of get your finger under. Ouch, that freaking hurts. There we go. Sorry for the camera angle. I just want to make sure I could get you guys under the hood real quick. There she is, man. Listen to her. Purrs like a kitten. And yes, the Auto Spa got under here and they gave it a light detail. They don't go real heavy on the detail. They don't do heavy pressure washing, but they use steam, low pressure steam. There it is. That Mitsubishi 4G63. And that's a wrap, guys. That's a wrap. I bet you're wanting the stock number, right? And the link to the car. Well, that's real easy. I got you. So to make things easy, the direct link to this car is right here. Just click underneath the video or in the comment section. It'll be pinned. Real easy. Just click it, takes you straight to the link. But if you want the stock number, I'll give that to you in just a second. Now, one of the biggest things I've heard from people is your particular state requires you to use a broker. And a lot of you don't know what that is or how that works. Now, a lot of states do not require a broker. Many states you can bid on this car. This car is open to the public here in Oklahoma. In fact, you really shouldn't need a broker, but I guess there are probably a few states that may require one. But for the most part, you should be able to click that link and bid on this car, and you can do everything through Insurance Auto Auctions. They even have a transport feature where you can get a quote to transport the car before you ever place your bid. All right, so open to the public. They can handle transportation for you. All you have to do is bid and win. But if you're in one of those places that requires a broker, it's not sponsored, but go check out autobidmaster.com. That's AUTOBIDMASTER.com. Autobidmaster.com. They are a broker, and they can handle basically purchasing the car on your behalf. I think that's so stupid that some states require that. It's definitely not Insurance Auto Auctions. It's the way the states are set up, and it's really stupid to force people to pay extra money for a broker when they should be able to bid on something like this themselves. But anyway, that's beside the point. The car's ready to go. I've got everything set up for you. All you guys have to do is bid. All right, so you want that stock number? Here's the stock number for you. It's 302-77802. 302-77802. It is going up for sale in just a few days, guys and gals. So if you're wanting this car, let me tell you something. This is one I put my name on. Needs a tad bit of work, nothing major. I've put 500 miles on this little car. She is good to go. I think this car is great. It got a lot of attention. Everywhere I go, people always look at it and they're wondering, what is it? It looks kind of like a spaceship. It's clean. It will get you where you need to go. And best of all, right now, it doesn't have any bids on it. It's cheap. So I have a direct link for you down below. You can go over to Insurance Auto Auctions. Just click the link. You don't even need the stock number. Just click the link. It'll take you right over there. Go ahead and put your bid in. Remember, if your state requires that you have a broker, and that sucks, I know it does, but go check out autobidmaster.com. It's not sponsored, but it's autobidmaster.com. In fact, I'll put a link down below in the description for that as well. They do the bidding for you if you want to use a broker. Shipping can generally be done through Insurance Auto Auctions as well. Right on the page that the car is, there should be somewhere on that page where you can get a shipping quote by just putting in your zip code. I don't think shipping is going to be that bad on that car. She's a good car. I really hope one of you end up with it. Start bidding, bid high, bid often, and I will see you all very soon in the next one.